Watch me now.
Okay.
You're not watching.
Damn.
Like this. Okay, your turn.
Now do it backwards. You do this together.
No, do it backwards, Lindsay.
Sit. Sit down. Hold up. Wait down.
Watch. He thinks you're hurt.
Watch out.
Okay, watch out, Emma. She's gonna go backwards now.
Okay.
Wow!
Now you try. Come here. Come here. Now you try. I did it. Now you do it.
Okay, bend my knees so it'll hurt. It really will.
You're not gonna bend your knees, Emma.
Can you do a tripod, Emma?
I can't do a tripod. I don't know what a tripod is anyway.
Like this. Sit down.
Come here, Waldo. Come up here.
Sit.
Well, I want to go back. I want to go back. I want to go back.
Oh, stop it, Emma.
Oh, my head hurts.
Cute.
Now you do it.
She wasn't watching you. Come on, Emma.
Emma, it's your turn to do a somersault.
Come on, let's try. Lindsay will help
I'll
you.
give you a treat. Want a treat?
She's not a dog.
Okay, well you gotta do a somersault first. Okay, remember? Okay. Watch out, Waldo. Come here.
Put your head down between your arms.
Yep.
Yep, yep. Just kick over with your legs. Just kick over. Yay!
Keep going.
Waldo.
I can't do it backwards.
Okay. Can you do a tripod?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Okay, do one. Can you move? Waldo. Leave her shoes alone.
Emma, do a tree.
Can you do the tree?
Do the tree. Stand up and do the tree. Show us your yoga.
No! I don't wanna.
Do the tree, please.
No.
Do you want a treat?
No. Yeah.
Okay, then do the tree.
And the warrior.
No warrior. Just a tree.
Face me and do it.
Look at mommy did. Good
Face
job.
Mama, honey. Turn and do it towards me so we can see. Oh, so good.
I did it.
Lindsay, come and shut these curtains behind me.
Now will you give
Please,
me a
thank you.
treat?
Well, do show us what the warrior is.
I don't want to do a warrior.
Why?
I don't want.
Why?
It takes too long.
No, it doesn't.